If you want to create a wider landscape by putting two images or more together, then there's a very simple way for this. It's in the automate file. So if I go to File, Automate here, and there's one called Photomerge here. Now it'll ask you when it opens up if you want to use the source files, or folders, and it'll ask you for the layout. Layout is auto, perspective, cylindrical, spherical, collage, or reposition. It depends whatever you've done. I'll use auto for this one. I'm going to use files that I've saved. I'll press browse, click on there, and it's in my desktop and it's in the file stitch. There's 4 images here. I'll press OK for these. I'll just highlight these first of all and press OK for these. And then once they're in this area here, blend images together is checked. That's great. I'll press OK. And what it'll do is take about 30 or 40 seconds to merge these images together. What you want to do when you're taking these images is take the first image and then turn around on the spot and leave about 25% of the original image in the second image you take, and then turn around on the spot and do the same again and again and again. And this allows the Photoshop program to stitch these images together quite easily. And there you go. There is a little bit of a difference in it, but just on the left hand side here, all I need to do is get a transform tool and pull it down and just move this about, and I can straighten the image up quite happily, but it's stitched well together.